Howdy guys and gals, Mikey V here with a quick update. It's another LCS pickup. This one is again for another channel's giveaway. VOGAS, for Veins of Gold and Silver, has a 1,000 subscriber giveaway that he's doing at the moment, I believe. I'll include a link to his channel in the description. I've already done a shout out for him already. But this one, I picked up some stuff for his second giveaway that he's doing for people that don't have a channel. Just some, bulk silver, not much more than spot price. Got a 1925 S peace dollar, a 1944 Walking Liberty $50 that was in a bevel for a piece of jewelry. It was glued in. The guy at the coin shop decided to separate the bevel from the coin, and I didn't really feel like buying the bevel and re-gluing the coin back in. But you can see there's still some trace of the glue on the coin. So it's technically a damaged coin. But the cool part about it is that the Walking Liberty part is gilded, and the sun is gilded. I thought that was kind of neat. But you could probably take this and soak it in some acetone, and it wouldn't really damage the coin worse than it's already damaged, and it would get rid of all the last little remnants of glue that are on the coin. Next, we have another example of constitutional silver for his giveaway, a 1944 quarter. I don't know if you can see a mint mark on there. It's pretty beat up, but it was one of the better ones that he had. So we have two coins from 1944. Oddly coincidental. Didn't mean to do that on purpose. And then we have a fairly beat up Rosie. Looks like somebody tried to cut it or something. It's a 1951. Those are all going to VOGAS for Veins of Gold and Silver for his second giveaway that he's doing for people that don't have content. So if you go to his channel and you want to enter the giveaway but you don't do videos, all you got to do is comment on his giveaway video, "I don't have content." He'll double check that to make sure. And if you don't have content, you'll get entered into the second giveaway that he's doing for people that don't have content. So this will probably be a prize of its own, because somebody else sent him a couple of Kennedy halves, and he's doing a prize for those on their own. And then I picked up something for myself. Pay no attention to the price. That's not what I paid. It's a 1972 silver proof Ike dollar. Unfortunately, with these cases, you can see United States proof dollar, Eisenhower. With these cases, if any kind of moisture got into them, Eisenhower, United States proof dollar, if any kind of moisture got into these, the coin would go milky like this. So the only way to really get rid of that milky tone on there would be to dip it in some silver wash, but you'd have to crack the case and take the coin out to do that, and it's really not worth it in my opinion. Personally, I think it adds some character to the coin, but I paid, I think, maybe $5, $6 for this. So that's not a bad deal considering it's a silver Ike. I don't know the silver content. I know it's probably not much at that price, but it's still a pretty cool pickup, and it's in a nice little historic case. And the next update I have is I have what I need here other than the glass of water. I went out, bought a cheapo calculator, picked up some floss since I needed some anyway, and going to be doing a specific density test on this thing, specific gravity, to see what kind of metal it might be. I know I told you I already did a magnet test to see if it was magnetic, and it was not magnetic. I did off camera a magnet slide test, and the magnet slid slowly down the coin like it's supposed to with silver. So my best guess is this going to be some kind of base metal core, copper, maybe, I don't know, something that's got some heft to it, like more than likely a cheap metal like copper, and then it's going to have antique silver plating. So I'll have to look up the density of copper of this weight, and then I'll do the video on this probably tomorrow with the specific density. Apparently, science videos on my channel are a big hit, because the only other one I did, cleaning the rust off a 1944 steel penny, has the most views of anything on my channel. It has something like 14,000 views, which just blows me away, considering I only have some like 518 subscribers. But go check out VOGAS' channel, and tell him Mikey V sent you if you haven't already checked it out. And keep your eyes peeled for the next video I'm going to be doing on trying to determine the metal that this round is made from. Should be a fun experiment. Anyway, Mikey V, signing out.